May peace be upon us all, the Honorable Mr. and Miss Chairman of the Committee of the Second International Conference on Accounting and Fraud Auditing, the team of reviewer, and all of the audience members who have joined in this occasion. I'm Eva Rusina from Pekalongan University and my colleague Andi Kushermanto from Pekalongan University and Inaya Rizky Alisa from Gadjah Mada University. In this occasion, I will present our research entitled Company Complexity and Audit Delay, the Moderating Effect of Audit Committee Chair Accounting Expertise. Introduction. Audit delay is the number of days between the end of the financial year report and the audit report design, where the shorter number of days indicates greater timelines. Delay in presenting company financial report have a major impact on investor consideration in making decisions. Audit delay is a problem that still occurs frequently in Indonesia. On May 9, 2022, the Indonesia Stock Exchange announced that there were 91 companies that had not submitted the financial report and annual report signed December 31st, 2021. The regulator of the Indonesian Stock Exchange provided written warning to these 91 companies because of their delay in reporting audit financial report. Information option from CNBC 2022. There was also a phenomenon relating to audit delay in property and real estate subsector company, where this subsector was recorded as the largest of the 30 companies that were late in presenting audit financial report ending on December 31st, 2019. There are differences in research results about company complexity on audit delay. Byron and Kenny, 1986, state that if there are inconsistencies in the result of the influence of the independent variable or the dependent variable, then there are factors that might moderate this relationship. Research question: how does company complexity affect audit delay? And how does audit committee chair accounting expertise moderate the relationship between company complexity and audit delay? Research model: independent company complexity, dependent audit delay, moderate audit committee chair accounting expertise, and control leverage and profitability. Hypothesis development: if a company has increasingly complex operational activity, it will cause audit delay due to the increased time need for auditor to complete their audit program. Based on the argument that have been described, the first hypothesis of this research is formula as follows. H1. Company complexity has a positive effect on audit delay. The audit committee chair accounting expertise is the accounting expertise process by the audit committee chair and can be referred to as an accounting expert if the audit committee chair has qualification and experience in accounting or auditing, such as experience as a public accountant, CFO, controller, or treasurer. An audit committee chairman who has accounting expertise will improve the quality of financial reporting. Therefore, delay in presenting financial report and annual report can be avoided. Agency theory relates to the timelines of the presentation of financial report, which explain that the more complex a company is, the more likely it is that managerial problem will arise. Furthermore, complex relationship pattern will occur and information asymmetry will arise between the agent and the principal. Companies that have many subsidiaries will become increasingly complex and complicated. To overcome this condition, the audit committee chairman must have the ability to have accounting expertise so that there are no irregularities in the accounting record of the subsidiary. The process of publishing and presenting financial report will be complete on time. When the complexity of the company operation is high, but the audit committee has accounting expertise, it will accelerate the completion of the auditor report. A study by Patwa et al. 2019 showed that audit committee chair accounting expertise can reduce the length of audit delay based on the argument that have been described. The second hypothesis of this research is formula as follows. H2. Audit committee chair accounting expertise can mitigate the positive influence of company complexity on audit delay. Method, data, and analysis. Table purposes sampling. Criteria of the sample. The number of samples that meet the criteria amount 34, year of observation amount 5, and total observation process amount 170. Variable measurement. Dependent audit delay. Measured by the number of days between the end of the financial year, the date of signing the audit report. Independent company complexity measured by the number of subsidiaries owned by the company. Moderating audit committee chair accounting expertise measured by Code 1 if the audit committee chair in the company has qualification and experience in accounting or auditing, such as experience as a public accountant, CFO, controller, or treasurer, zero otherwise. Control leverage. Total liabilities divided by total asset, and profitability, net profit divided by total asset. Technical analysis. This study used the partial least square structural equation modeling technique with WorkPLS 8.0 software as the technical analysis. Model fit. All of indicators in model fit the present in table show that all of these indicators are satisfied, and for the tenant house category set as large. Explanatory power. Based on table, the explanatory model indicator in this study show that the R-square value of 0.144 show that 14.4% variation in endogenous variable or dependent can be explained by the variable exogenous or independent. The Q-square value of 0.177 means this research model has predictive relevance because this value is higher than 0. The category effect size, complex set as weak, expert complex set as weak, left set as very weak, profit set as weak. Right diagram has positive effect. Interaction of expert and complex has also positive effect. In the right side is the figure of PET coefficient and p-value result. Conclusion, limitation, and suggestion. The complexity of company operation has a positive and significant effect on the audit delay. Hypothesis 1, H1 is accepted. Companies have increasingly complex operational activity, which will cause audit delay due to the increased time it takes for auditors to complete their audit work. Delay in presenting financial report will have an impact on uncertainty, and investor will assess the company based on the timelines of presenting its financial report. The longer the presentation process takes, it indicates that the company is in bad condition. Audit committee chair accounting expertise weaken the influence of the relationship between company operational complexity and audit delay. Hypothesis 2, H2 is accepted when the complexity of the company operation is high, but the audit committee has expertise in accounting. It will accelerate the completion of the auditor report. Theoretical, this research contributes to the study of agency theory. The occurrence of a conflict of interest between the agent and the principal is an assumption that is always related to and inherent in agency theory. The agent has more information than the principal. Conflict can occur due to deviant behavior from the agent. This deviation can be tracked from the manipulation of accounting record to the reporting of financial statement. Practically, this research is useful for company as input for management or agent to improve performance within the company. Audit committee chair who have accounting expertise will increase their monitoring role and be able to complete various tasks more effective. For example, monitoring internal and external auditor, monitoring the quality of financial report, and managing audit issue between the CFO and audit partner. The chair of the audit committee with expertise in accounting is really needed in the complex situation of the company. If the company activity are complex, the chair of the audit committee can complete his duty more effective and in a timely manner. The limitation of this research is that there is only one independent variable, namely the complexity of company operation. The company complexity aspect of study is also limited to the number of subsidiaries. Another limitation is that the research year is only 5 years, and the research object in only property and real estate companies. Future research can improve this research by adding other independent variables, especially those related to corporate governance, lengthening the year of observation so that the results are more relevant, and also investigating another sector such as the financial sector. Thank you. This is the end our presentation. Thank you for your attention, and we are looking forward to your feedback.